John was only 11 years old, a quiet, intelligent boy in grade 5. He didn't talk much, didn't laugh, didn't play with other kids. He always stayed alone, like he belonged to another world. Other students wanted to be friends with him, but one thing always scared them. John often talked to himself. He'd sit alone, smiling, nodding. His parents were worried. They would say, "John, go outside, make some friends." But John would smile and reply, "I'm not alone. He's always with me." They thought it was just imagination, but this imaginary friend was becoming something much more real. One day in class, the children were noisy. Walked in. "Quiet, everyone." The kids sat down. The teacher turned to the board and froze. Something was already written on it, strange symbols, in a language no one could read. She asked, "Who wrote this?" Everyone denied it. "No one, miss." But John sat smiling quietly. The teacher looked at him. "John, did you write this?" He said softly. "No." "He did." "Who?" John replied. "It says, 'I will return.'" From that day on, everything changed. Scratch marks began appearing on the school walls, deep like claws. At night, the school bell rang on its own, even though the building was locked. Some children got trapped inside bathrooms. They heard whispers, breathing behind them, but no one was there. Then one day, a boy screamed in class. He held his head in pain and fainted. The class was in chaos. And John was there, calm, smiling. The principal had enough. He called John to his office. "John, what's going on?" John said nothing. The principal asked again, gently, and then John began to cry. He said, "Sir, his name is Silas. He used to study here. One day after school, he went to the bathroom, but the gatekeeper locked it from outside and left. Silas was trapped. He cried, he screamed, but no one came. He died, alone. Now he's back. He killed the gatekeeper, and now he's hurting everyone who stayed silent." The principal said, "John, you're his friend. You can see him. You must talk to him. Tell him to stop." That night, John walked the empty school hallway. "Silas," he called. From the mist, a ghostly figure appeared. John said softly, "You were right. I told them the truth. You're free now. Please, go." The ghost smiled and slowly faded into light. Since that day, the school was calm again. No more screams, no more fear. But sometimes, John looks out the classroom window and smiles, because he knows some friendships